Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if fixed rotation isn't working on your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. To fix auto rotation on your device, you're going to have to open the Start menu and then open Settings in here. In Settings, you're going to have to go to the System on the sidebar, then select Display, and then navigate to Rotation Lock. And if it's not grayed out, you can disable it by switching the toggle to the left. But if it's grayed out, like in my case, we can try to manually enable the auto rotation by switching the device into the tablet mode. So let's rotate hinges 360 degrees. And this option will actually become available. And as you can see, the rotation is right now active, and we can actually lock and unlock it from here. Besides, we can also go to the Action Center in here and check the rotation lock. The rotation lock in here. However, it's on my PC, it's only available in the tablet mode. And now, if it's not available for you, then most probably you just have outdated drivers on your laptop, and to check for the availability of the newest driver version on your laptop, you just have to check some applications. For example, here in Settings, which you should do first, go to Windows Update on the sidebar, and then click Check for Updates to check for any available updates. Besides, go to Advanced Options and select Optional Updates. And here we are only interested in the driver updates, which I don't currently have prepared here. I only have Windows updates, we don't need them. But if you have driver updates here, hit the checkbox next to them and click Download and Install. Wait until the updates are downloaded and installed if you have any, and then optionally, well, not optionally, but if your if your Windows update tells you to restart your device, then do it to apply changes. And besides, also check my no, not my HP, but my support assistant application on your laptop. And in this application, go to the third tab on the sidebar, go to Software and Drivers, or just click Updates right here. Then click Refresh button to let your device check for available updates. And if there is an accelerometer driver needing an update on your device, for example, then this application will automatically find it for you. And then you'll be able to download and install it by clicking this one button right here after selecting the driver on the list. So I recommend updating all the drivers and all the software you have on this page. And then just restart your PC and try again, and this should fix the issue. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.